Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this Mangalorean style chicken ghee roast. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Do take a look. Now without further ado, let's get started. So here I have 500 grams of chicken. To this add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 spoon of Dhanya or coriander powder, half a spoon of salt, juice of half a lemon, add 3 spoons of curd and just give it a good mix. Now mix it well and let it sit for a minimum of 30 minutes. I've kept it in the refrigerator, but you can just leave it in room temperature as well. Now heat a pan and add about 10 dried red chillies, about half a spoon of cumin or jeera, 1/4 spoon of methi or fenugreek seeds, half a spoon of fennel seeds or sauf, half a spoon of black pepper, 1.5 spoon of coriander or dhanya seeds, and just saute it on low flame for about 4 minutes. Now after it cools down, add it in a mixer jar. Add about 6 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. Add some water, about like 1/4 cup, and blend it into a smooth paste. It should look something like this. Now heat a pan and add about 3 to 4 spoons of ghee. Add 1 cup of onion, that is 1 large size onion finely chopped, and saute it well until it turns soft. Now to this add the marinated chicken and just saute it for about a minute or two. Now let it cook on low flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. Just mix it well. Now add the blended paste. Add 1 spoon of ghee and just mix everything well. By adding the paste, the chicken gets a really good red color. Now add about half a glass of water, not add more, and just mix it well. Now close the lid and let it cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, open the lid and give it a good mix. Now add 1 spoon of Jaggery powder and about half a spoon of salt or as per your requirement, and give it a good mix. If you feel the chicken hasn't cooked, you can sprinkle some more water and cook it for about 5 minutes. Now give it a good mix. Just saute it until the gravy kind of dries up. Now add 1 spoon of ghee and a few curry leaves and just give it a good mix. So that's it guys, it's a super simple recipe and it's a very easy one. So if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.